are you doing? Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up a jewelry subscription. It is called Silver and Gold. This is the second one I opened. I really enjoyed the first one. I got several jewelry pieces from them, but the piece I love the most are these like flower earrings. You've probably heard, or you've probably seen me wear them in a lot of videos. So you get several pieces like I said in this, and they're always unique and different each month. It is $29. Last time I got this box, they provided a code for me to share with you, and that would get you your first month free and also get you a free gift. I did just shoot them an email a little bit ago confirming that it's still active. I'm pretty sure it is, but I will confirm that like on the screen here or down below. Yeah, and this ships to the US and Canada. So if you missed my first video, I'll link that down below too if you want to see what I got there. In your first box, they give you a ring sizer, which I thought was great. I was like overly excited about it, but so I was able to choose my ring size, so I should be getting a ring in this box. This is what the actual box looks like. So yeah, I'll be leaving all the information I said down below along with their website. But anyways, let's get unboxing and see what jewelry I got this month. When I open it up, this is what it looks like. So aside from their subscription, I believe they sell some of their jewelry pieces online, and there is a gift or a promo code here that's called My Gift, and you get an extra special gift from all of us. Save 20% of any online item. And then here are all the items inside. It says, "Thank you for supporting this small business. I hope you enjoy your new jewelry." That's nice, little handwritten. And then here are the pieces. They each have their own little baggie, or it looks like the ring probably has its own case. So we have 3 pieces here, and there is a card that gives information, which I love, and it looks like the total retail price of this box is $163.99. And again, I was gifted this box kindly, so thank you, Silver and Gold. But if I did pay for this box, it would be $29, and my last box would have been free because the first box is free again with that code. So I will just leave this here to refer to. So how about we start with what's in the bags? Ooh, this looks pretty. It looks like it is a necklace. Let's get it out of this baggie. I like how they ship it in a bag so it doesn't get all tangled, like part of it's hanging out. Cause yeah, necklaces can get really tangled up in transport. I get a lot of subscriptions. I've gotten some tangled before. This is in perfect position or condition. And it looks like there's like amethyst or something like that. Pretty purple stone. I actually have purple makeup on today, so that's kind of perfect. This is very pretty. I love purple. So it says this is the amethyst pendant with cubic zirconia and sterling silver with a sterling silver chain, and it has a retail value of $45. So last month of the jewelry pieces I was able to confirm that it was sterling silver. So let's look at this right now and see if I can see that. So with sterling silver, it is like stamped or like engraved with a marking. Yep, it says 925, so that is the sterling silver code. And then let's look at the back of this and see if it says. Yep, 925. So I see it on both the chain and the actual pendant itself. So very pretty. I love the amethyst purple. Love it. I'm in a purple phase right now in life. I love purple makeup. I actually like kind of recreated the makeup look I did in my Roll the Dice makeup challenge, but I did it in a more like subtle, not 45 different layers of makeup. So if you guys missed that makeup challenge, that was really fun. I'm gonna link that down below too if you want to see something, you know, lighthearted and silly. But let's move on to the next item. Ooh, and it looks like we have some earrings in here. So these are cubic zirconia and 14 karat rose gold plated sterling silver drop earrings. They have a retail value of $59. So here is one of them. You can see it from the side. And then here it is dead on. So how about I put these on? Necklaces are a little harder for me to put on by myself, but I will put on the earrings. And when I can see that it is marked with a 925 too. I'm trying to make sure I check that for you guys because I know it's important to some of you, and I think it's important too. Alright, so that was really easy to put on. Let me get the other one out and on now. I think these are really pretty. Super easy to put on. Awesome. And they shouldn't irritate my ears at all because they are made from sterling silver and they're coated with 14 karat gold. I think that's super cool. Well, let's move on to the last jewelry item. And I can see in the back it says 7, so that was a size I think I am. Hopefully I sized myself correctly. Oh, this is cool. So it came, here, let me show you how it came. I already took it out. Came in this little box so you can store your jewelry in here, and you can also store your other pieces in the bag, so I like how they do that. So it looks like this. Let's see how they describe it. So 14 karat, let me make sure this is focusing when I read about it. Why isn't it focusing? Here, let me see if I can get it on my finger. I'm thinking a little swollen. Here. I put it on my pinky because it feels a little tight on my finger. Maybe I did size it wrong, or I'm just a little swollen because I went out for dinner last night and I had a lot of salt, but it says 14 karat yellow gold over sterling silver pave infinity ring with a retail value of $59.99. So this is definitely unique and cool. Let's see it. Yep, you can clearly see on the inside it says $9.25. So we got this ring here. I don't have anything like it. Oh, sorry, I'm showing you guys like with my broken nail right there. Of course I break the nail, it's like on my right hand. And we got these pretty earrings here. And this might be my favorite, I don't know, I like the earrings too. But I just like love amethyst and purple. Like I said, I'm like loving purple lately. I've always loved purple, but like I'm really going through a purple phase right now. So I think this is really pretty. So that is everything. Again, I'm going to leave the link and all of the information down below. You guys have to let me know your thoughts, what you think of this box, what your favorite piece is. And also, when I opened the box last time, if any of you guys subscribed, I know at least a few of you did, let me know what you get. So not every box will be the same. It'll be based on your preferences. And again, in your first box, they won't send you a ring because they need to get your sizing and all of that. And also, if you guys got a free gift, please let me know what that was. And I have some giveaways ending super soon. Just want to remind you all, one of them is in my Ipsy Ultimate video. That might be ending today or tomorrow. And then I have some hidden giveaways in some of my videos. So if you haven't caught my recent videos, there may be some giveaways in there. If you're interested in watching and entering, definitely do so. They're all like beauty giveaways, so I think it's always fun and I want to give back to you guys as a big thank you. I'm going to continue doing that for the month of January, so stay tuned, watch my videos. I'm going to be sneaking the giveaways in. So yeah, that is everything. And again, I'll double check on that promo code. Let me see if it's in my email now. No, I don't have an email yet, but I'll definitely update you. But I think that should be all good. But yeah, thank you guys for being here and unboxing with me. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.